Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on how to find the equation of a parabola when two x-intercepts are given. Now I added this example since not all the questions will specifically tell you that the two x-intercepts or the two roots were given. Let's look at this question. The question reads, determine the equation of the parabola which passes through the points, and then they give you the 3 points, 1, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 3. So here the fact that there are two x-intercepts are hidden, and it's hidden here. With the rule for an x-intercept is make y 0. So this is how I knew that that point 1, 0, this one is an x-intercept and 3, 0 is the other intercept. X-intercept make y 0. And then this other point is just the point consisting of an x and a y. Although it's the y-intercept, it doesn't really matter. You just deal with it as if it's a normal point. Now, which formula to use? This is in fact a type 2 parabola, or rather equation that you're going to use. Y is equal to a bracket x minus root 1, x minus root 2. Into the roots goes x minus 1 bracket x minus 3, and then to find a, this is now where you will take this other point consisting of an x and a y, and you will substitute in y's place the 3, and everywhere where you see an x you substitute 0. And then this becomes 3 equals a, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, 0 minus 3 is negative 3. And then minus 1 times minus 3 gives you plus 3a, and divide away the 3 both sides, and we end with a is equal to 1. Then we want an equation. Therefore, we go back to this step, that one. Y is equal to a bracket x minus 1 bracket x minus 3, and we substitute in a's place the value, and then we will also multiply out the two brackets to give the answer in standard form. Therefore, when you multiply out the two brackets, you end with x squared minus x minus 3x plus 3, and then you can add your two like terms in the middle. And the equation for this parabola is y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Have you subscribed yet? In the next lesson, I will discuss how to find the equation of a parabola when the turning point is given. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.